In 2007, as a young intern at NASA's Kennedy Space Center, Aisha Bowe placed her hand on the skin of the Space Shuttle Atlantis. In that moment, she felt the weight of history, the power of innovation, and the spark of possibility. She was learning about propulsion systems and payload integration, but one truth struck her deeply. Too few people in that lab looked like her. Aisha began to wonder, what if STEM opportunities weren't limited by background? What if every young person, no matter where they came from, could see themselves in science and engineering? That question set her on a new course. In 2012, Aisha Bowe co-founded ST and Board, a company built not only to deliver cutting-edge engineering solutions, but also to open doors for others. From day one, she knew her strength wasn't just in technical expertise, it was in communication. She learned at NASA how to translate complex systems into stories people could connect with. Satellites became stories about connection. Circuit boards became stories about community. And communication changed everything. It opened boardroom doors, secured contracts with NASA and Fortune 500 companies, and gave her a platform to inspire students in classrooms that had never before hosted an engineer who looked like them. She told every audience, Sparkle's communication is the bridge between innovation and impact. ST and Board grew fast, becoming one of the Inc. 5000's fastest growing private companies, delivering over 200 engineering solutions and hiring diverse talent through partnerships with historically Black colleges and local tech hubs. But Aisha wanted to go further, to bring STEM into living rooms. So in 2022, she launched Lingo, hands-on STEM kits packed with sensors, microcontrollers, and project guides. With each kit, a kitchen table becomes a laboratory, a living room becomes an innovation hub. And with virtual mentoring, students everywhere, urban or rural, can access coding and robotics in a way that's fun, inclusive, and empowering. The results speak for themselves. More than 5,000 kits shipped per quarter, a 40% rise in student confidence with coding, and school districts reporting science clubs reborn and science fairs booming. But the true impact isn't just in the numbers, it's in the faces of the students. A high schooler discovering aerospace through a rocket kit. A girl writing her very first line of code to track wildlife. This is why Aisha continues to lecture, mentor, and advise policymakers, because STEM is more than equations and experiments. It's about creating pathways, building bridges, and telling stories that make science accessible and inspiring. And here's her message to you: your voice is as important as your skills. It's not enough to build something extraordinary, you must be able to share it, explain it, and invite others to join you. Because communication is the bridge. And when we build that bridge, innovation doesn't just happen, it creates impact that changes lives. In 2007, as a young intern at NASA's Kennedy Space Center, Aisha Bowe placed her hand on the skin of the Space Shuttle Atlantis.